Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant won't update over Riot Games. If Valorant won't update in the Riot client, what you need to do is you need to restart the Riot client. Simply open this new tab and cross the before tab here and type down Riot client again and enter it and open this riotgames.com. And you need to check your internet connection as well. If possible, you can switch to a different network or use a wired Ethernet connection as well. And the next is you can also open the task manager. You need to simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and this opens this task manager here. If you find any Riot client, Valorant or Riot client services processes, you need to end it and reopen this Riot games again. And also disable any VPN or proxy, turn off any VPN or proxy services and try updating again. And the last thing is to restart your computer. Simply open your Windows and go to this power icon here and select restart. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.